Now I'm going to show you how to identify overclock firmware has got a hidden development fee or not, or what we call go to external pool. That means go to the pool that you don't know. Okay, now let's see. This is a overclock firmware T9 overclock to 12. This one is also overclock to 12. So now we compare these two. So you can see this 149. The firmware version is PM 2.00. This one 127 or 126. The firmware is BM Sharp V6 engine. So now you open a terminal and you run putty. One 192.168.0.126. Then you run next step. So now you see this machine only come to one pool, 47. Pool 47.89.150.164. Now let's look at this 149. 149. Run again 149. Yes. Password admin. So 47 is the correct one. So the 139 is the external pool. 139, 203. This one is all external pool. 159 external pool. So all this is a hidden. There is a hidden development fee for this overclock software. So we go to see BTC2 again. You see 149, the pool one is BTC. 126, pool one also BTC. Then now we compare again. 126 and 149. 126 is a good one. Only go to one pool. This is a BTC pool IP address. 149 is a bad firmware with a hidden development fee, or what we call go to external pool. So we also go to 47. This is a BTC pool, but others than that, 139, 203, 159, all these are not hidden pool. That's all. Thank you for watching.